Evaluating and Analyzing Arguments, your guide to integrated reading and writing tasks. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the heart of integrated reading and writing tasks, focusing specifically on evaluating and analyzing arguments. Mastering this skill can truly set you apart in your TOEFL and IELTS exams. Let's get started and boost those scores. When you evaluate an argument, you're assessing its strengths and weaknesses. On the other hand, analyzing an argument means breaking it down to understand its components and how they relate to each other. In essence, evaluating equals judging the overall effectiveness. Analyzing equals breaking down to understand better. To effectively evaluate and analyze, you need to identify 1. Claim, the main idea or point the author is trying to convey. 2. Evidence, facts, examples, or data supporting the claim. 3. Warrant, the connection between the evidence and the claim. Remember, a strong argument will have all three components well defined. Follow this step-by-step approach. 1. Identify the claim. What is the main message? 2. List down the evidence. What are the supporting points? 3. Understand the warrant. How does the evidence support the claim? 4. Check for bias. Is the argument one-sided? Or is it balanced? 5. Assess the quality of evidence. Is it credible? Relevant? 6. Determine the strength of the argument. Does the evidence fully support the claim? To get better, it's all about practice. Here's what you can do. 1. Article analysis. Pick any online article. Identify the claim, evidence, and warrant. 2. Peer review. Exchange essays with a partner. Evaluate and analyze their argument. 3. Debate. Engage in a friendly debate. It helps in understanding and formulating strong arguments on the spot. And there you have it. Evaluating and analyzing arguments is a crucial skill, not just for exams but for everyday life. Keep practicing, keep refining, and soon, you'll be a master at dissecting and understanding arguments. Until next time, happy learning and good luck with your test preparations.